BW Industrie is a company established in Moselle, France in 2009. We are subcontractors in industrial degreasing and machine standard mechanical parts. In 2011, after having first deployed traditional robots that required safety caging, we quickly realized that we needed a different solution that allowed operators the best access to the robots. We currently have 4 installations of UR cobots operating in our facility. The ease of implementation of universal robots enables us to move the collaborative robots as we need it. Some of our cobots are in their 2nd or 3rd type of application. Universal Robots cobots give us a technological edge with our customers, whose confidence now opens up much larger markets for us. The expansion of Universal Robots' product range has been very important to us. We started with a UR5 8 years ago. Today, we are currently using 2 UR10s and the latest addition to the product line, the UR16E E-Series cobot.
At BW Industrie, we have 4 robotic cells with Universal Robots. The first 2 applications carry out the loading and unloading of different CNC lathes. On the vertical CNC, we also carry out a 100% inspection of the parts and an oiling process for maritime transport. The human cobot collaboration allows us to be more efficient and competitive. The operator runs this robotic cell, which has freed up 20 to 30 minutes of his schedule to focus on other tasks. In both of these machining, loading, and unloading applications, the robot is handling dangerous and sharp workpieces, which is why we have secured the area with a safety scanner. Our third application carries out the dimensional control of thousands of tubes per year. The robot retrieves 14 tubes pre-positioned by an operator for quality control in front of 2 high-definition cameras. The ergonomics and comfort of the workstation have been greatly improved thanks to this robotic solution. Previously, all quality inspection in this cell was manual and carried out by operators. The last application is done by Universal Robots UR16E. In this application, mechanical parts from 4 to 14 kilos are deburred. Every day, the robot deburs nearly a ton of metal parts, a task previously handled by the operator.
Universal Robots' new E-Series line of cobots has an interface that is even easier to use, which saves us time on both setup and changeovers. With new robots like the UR16E, you can lift heavier workpieces not previously possible to automate. With UR cobots, we have seen significant productivity gains, enabling us to keep production in France. Since our first installation in 2011, our workforce has increased by 50% and our revenues by almost 70%. The ROI are always very short, with a record of 6 months for one of the installations that has been running on 3 shifts since 2015. We could also talk about ROC, return on comfort, for all of the applications that relieve operators from ergonomically unfavorable tasks. These successes encourage us to continue our cobot journey. We will be installing 2 new URs in the next 6 months.